Everyone needs to feel they can trust their project manager. And you want people to trust you. So what can you do to earn their trust? Of course, you know the things that easily erode trust. And I'm sure you're doing everything you can to avoid things like lying and deceiving people, cheating and breaking the rules, not listening to people in meetings, inconsistent decision making, bullying people or manipulating them, playing favourites, or indulging in gossip. Those are the things that you can do to destroy trust. But the question is, what can you do to build trust? And I'm going to suggest there are 5 main things that you can use day to day. Habit number 1 is to ask for ideas. The more you can engage other people in offering their own ideas, the more they will trust your decisions. The more you listen to their suggestions, particularly about the choices that you need to make, the more confidence that they will have in your leadership. Habit number 2 is to make time to listen to people. I hope it goes without saying that my first habit is useless if you don't make the time to listen to what people have to say to you. It's no good asking for ideas and then ignoring them. If you do that, trust will just evaporate away. My point here is the importance of making time to speak with people and to give them a good listening to. Hear what their concerns are. Share their triumphs. Listen as they talk through their challenges. The better you understand the people around you, the better they will like and trust you. Habit number 3 is to offer people your trust. Because people won't trust you if they don't feel that you trust them. When you set someone up to do something, tell them that you are going to leave it to them, but that you will make yourself available for them to come to you and ask them any questions, and then leave them to it. That demonstrates trust. It allows them to come to you, and if they feel confident that they can come to you, then they are unlikely to work beyond their experience and capabilities. If, on the other hand, they think you don't trust them, they may be tempted to try to prove you wrong and take chances. Habit number 4, and I hope this is obvious, habit number 4 is to do what you say you will do. Walking the talk is a cliche, right? Of course, right. But that's because it's important. Follow through on your commitments and maintain the highest standards of integrity. That's all I need to say. And habit number 5. You will make mistakes. And when you do, say sorry. Don't think for one moment that apologies make you look weak, naive, or incompetent. They don't. Rather the opposite. Everybody knows that people make mistakes, but if you refuse to apologize, if you refuse to even acknowledge your mistake, that's when you look weak, that's when you look like you have no confidence, and you can't face up to people. Leaders take responsibility for their mistakes. They own up to them, they say sorry, and they put things right. And remember, no apology, no forgiveness. If you want people to trust you, they have first to forgive you for the mistakes that you made. So, 5 very simple habits to earn the trust that you need to operate effectively as a project manager. Please do give a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll be creating loads more great project management content, so please do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of it. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.